Welcome back, party enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of party makeup, where creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're attending a glamorous gala or a casual gathering with friends, the right makeup can truly elevate your look and make you feel like the life of the party. First things first, let's talk about the base. Achieving a flawless complexion sets the stage for a stunning makeup look. Start with a hydrating primer to ensure your skin stays fresh and vibrant throughout the festivities. Then, choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and provides the desired coverage. Don't forget to conceal any blemishes or dark circles for a seamless finish. Next, it's time to add some color and definition. A versatile eyeshadow palette is a must-have for any party look. Whether you prefer smoky eyes, glittery lids, or bold pops of color, the options are endless. A few spritzes of this magical potion will ensure your makeup stays flawless and party-ready all night long. Remember, party makeup is all about self-expression and having fun. Don't be afraid to take risks, try new techniques, and unleash your inner creativity. So, go ahead and make a splash at your next party with your stunning makeup look. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting beauty tips and tricks. Until next time.